Okay guys, here's what I'm trying to do. I want to put about a 10-second preview to the ad video that I'm making. The ad video that I'm using to do this with is a dentist preview, and the frames on the bottom is for the dentist. The voice, I was able to put my voice in where I wanted it, but I can't get the picture that I want for the first frame of the dentist. The first frame that I want for that is over here. So that's going to be the first frame of the video, and let me play this for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Play. That's this one.
What's your business? We can make a video like this for you. Pictures of you working, driving, medical professional, or sitting at your desk. Watch this video of a dentist. We can make one for you too for any business or profession. Contact us today.
Are you due for a teeth cleaning to keep that perfect smile in check?
So you can see the my voice came out fine. Right about over here, my voice ends and the ad video voice starts. I don't know why the ads didn't play at that point the whole time, but I'm sure there's a reason for that. But that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get that picture that I showed you in front of ad frame number 1. And when I try to move this over, ching, it slaps right back again, and it won't stay. And I don't know how to put another frame. I don't see anything in here that says add another frame. It says add media to your video, but I don't see any which way to add one. I don't see something that says add your frame, add your something. So I hope you can help me. Thank you very much.
What's your business? We can make a video like this for you. Pictures of you working, driving, medical professional, or sitting at your desk.
Oh, that is coming across over there. Sorry about that.
Watch this video of a dentist. We can make one for you too for any business or profession. Contact us today.
Are you due for a teeth cleaning to keep that perfect smile in check? Our new...
So the bottom line is I can't put my picture in here as frame number 1. Thank you.